In this example, we need to simplify this expression here. This is what we call a complex fraction, where you have fractions either in the numerator of the fraction or the denominator or both. And in this case, we have fractions in our numerator and fractions in the denominator. These problems can be solved by two different methods. The method I'm going to use is where we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the LCD of all the fractions in the numerator and the denominator. So let's find that LCD. And what we do is you go to the first term in the numerator. I definitely need an x in the LCD. Go to the next term in the numerator, the 5 divided by y. Do I already have a y in my LCD? No, so I have to multiply the x by y. Now go to the denominator. The first term is 7 divided by y. Do I already have a y in my LCD? Yes, don't need another one. Go to the last term in the denominator, 4 divided by x. Do I already have an x in my LCD? Yes. So this is the LCD of all the terms in the numerator and the denominator. And what we have to do is we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the LCD. Because what am I really multiplying by? xy divided by xy, which is just 1. Some people do these multiplications in their head, but it's easy to make mistakes that way. I prefer to rewrite the problem and then multiply each term in the numerator and the denominator by the LCD of xy that I turn into a fraction by dividing it by 1. So I'm just going to do that. I have 2 terms in the numerator and 2 terms in the denominator. And now it makes simplification a lot easier. In my first term, my x's reduce. I get left with y times 2, or 2y divided by 1, and 2y divided by 1 is just 2y. Plus, in my second term, the y's reduce. I get 5 times x divided by 1, which is 5x. All divided by my first term in the denominator, the y's reduce. I get x times 7, or 7x divided by 1, which is just 7x, minus my last term in the denominator. My x's reduce. I get 4 times y. So the process of multiplying by this LCD has changed my complex fraction into a regular fraction. Now all we have to do is decide, can I simplify anything else? Please don't be tempted to reduce this y with this y or this x with this x. Remember, you can only reduce common factors of the numerator with common factors of the denominator. My numerator has no common factors. My denominator has no common factors. So this is my simplified answer.